on. Oh, what is that thing? I guess it's a snook. I know where he's going. Right over there to those rocks. Get him back here. I got a better chance of him. There we go. Got him hooked just where I want him to, right in the mouth. Oh, come on over here. There we go. Slide on in here, big boy. That's about 24, maybe 25. Jumped on that mirrodine like nobody's business. All right, let me check you out. Oh, that's a nice snook right there. All right. I mean, that's a big one. All right, let's check them out. I get 23 and a half. All right. There's a hog body. Good way to start off the afternoon in the Chassahowitzka National Wildlife Refuge. All right, big guy, big girl, see ya. What in the world? I mean to tell you, right at the boat. Is this a snapper? What is it? Or is it a tiny? It's a trout. Well, I'll be darned. I think it's a legal one too. Well, I wasn't expecting that little critter. Hey, I might just get my slam out of this. 13-inch speckled trout. Well, this is the second time I've had one of these critters so far away from the Gulf out there. Hey, that's another double fanger. Fish on. It's a head shaker, so that makes it Mr. Redfish. Well, I'm about to get my slam. This ain't a bad fish. Boy, I like these late afternoons up here. Get me a high tide in about 5 or 6 and stay up till dark. Nice red. Nice head shaker. Well, I can tell you this is a big old croaking male. All right, big boy. Let's go down here and see what I can get. I got 22. There you go. A sunset redfish. All right, big guy. Ooh, I'll catch you on the flip. pretty afternoon up here. And it's late afternoon, Sunday, so I know there's nobody up here. But it's calmed down. It's just as pretty as it can be up here.